Mentagasngi khat kendai terek naiwing arajara posau lasdang ye gamas aingu jong I sister walarina yo puniau da gamas bukoj hakaba I most Reverend Wilbert Mawin I Bishop I jungi I lalongi kongsan banterwa ye gamas bukoj bat ka homily ka basngau tenat lasan rani I dai Reverend Father Edmund Lakra parish priest ki sister Jonga Saint Mary's Convent Rangblang ki bahai ngasem ki mai kha ki nya kha ki bakha ki perlok perjor najan banajngai ki belawan hagamas aingu bat ki belawan hapo ying na kabanta kajingle burom ya I sister.
Kakti chung này là cái là tình cảm mà chúng ta chưa cần vào còn chúng ta chưa cần vào do như sự là không và cái đây là nó cái bạn scam mà cái chuyện này đây là cái chuyện trong khi cái đây là nó có gọi là này đấy apa dia baca ini nama Allah yang benar kamu boleh beri nama sesuatu nama Allah ini lada yang benar sesuatu yang benar kalau kamu beri let kamu dapat say sorry dan if ada relation level kamu cukup evaluasi thought kita cukup ya pun ini play pun sampai siapa belum ini dan mana dan jumlah besar curi kajian besar curi kamu dalam bulan-bulan dan rupam jadi jumlah dan rupam pada jenisnya dan berkong bagi kong ini di nombor jom jisu dari dalam dalam mesin pada dalam mesin masyarakat secara boleh yang ini pada kata dari untuk sampai ada sesuatu kemudian kami indong kami ini semata air dan jumlah besar kecil juli dari dalam nomor dan jasa juri kejian juri kadang kalau kepada sosial orang sudah dan sudah berkuat dan jasa nama orang sudah berkuat dan semua nama apa yang tuan kata dari dalam ada bahasa boleh sampai nah satu dari ini dalam ini dua ini sudah jadi dalam kita serkan Kagospel dari Tuhan, siapa usaha terus, udah usaha terus dari beliau balik justru dari sesuai Islam, pada kaumnya sesuai Islam, bukan pak beliau dilawan bukan jadi bila kita sabda yang justru beliau serius, balik beliau justru dari kumpulan justru dan itu Islam.
Ikur ki kunikha ki vai ngasam batuan ki perlok loba ya ai ki item khanang kanong kasi ke basong sit tusgan ya kami rapor na galing mga kin chawan jong kami program balkok nasno man ai kublay ai ka jing sungo ko kraw ya pi wei kulewan ka jing ya sakiang ya kami ka jing ai kamas ayu sabay dai ka jing yo jong kayi kasem ya ini sister iba rinko kayak ngira
And celebrations, we want the world to know we're happy as can be. Congratulations and celebrations, we want the world to know we're happy as can be. We want the world to know we're happy as can be. We want the world to know we're happy as can be. Congratulations.
sa pati barakat.
Syuru hang ne sinong ki badon na kiwi ki dong ki caka na marha ke cing trekam bada ke cing let bela ke cing let kitnong kila poisyong poisano cha ki caka beper ya ka kerteng jom ka kurio pnyo pelung berok away kat no ngadap na ke cing kemen ha ka ne ka por banyo kat ka ne ka lat ka kabuk siar kaburupa banyayu lang yau blay try kenrat nong bu nong thau naga banta ki chingai gi chikar khu baro baula the sei hangi wei pi wei bat kham ta me ya ka kur ka jat yau phneu chungi dei u blay upalaptin lenti yangi ha kiliang baro tinggi ai ke cing kublai ke bekerpang naman kata ha kerteng chong kakur bro away yai pa bat imei jong sister Valerina ikenom Celestine mat ikong deng merita nakabanta kaching le bha jong phi kum kaying kasem ba kaching e jong phi pila sei ke ni khun kila roy palung pare bat kadu yawai pila ai pat yai khun bakan sai jong phi show play yai sister Valerina banlong is sister ti kalong ke sha ke ting kemen yangi kum kakur ka jan namar ba ni siau sarong bat ni siau kemen bat ni dai ngu yaw play bau ya kerku ya kakur ka jan chungi nadu I padar mali albinos bam kuai dwaru play ilas dangi ke ni ka kam ban bot ya ke ching khot chung play bot ter I padar Ephraim I padar Richard nangka ki sister lay kilabun ba ter ngam dadon kam jer keteng mar babun yo ki jrong ka bam kapor ti khadu menta ngidang aingu yo play hakane ka mas aingu ting sister Valerina nakabenta ka ching smai beningkong bau play ula khoti banlong I wei ni nong trei hakabi sawan chu kung iriunyam the sister habai dang khna iken mau ye in the day tai bril ba he sur lani tai ba parya parai ilong ba kham chai ilong iba kam jar hadray iba ko musneng hadu kata ila persyang hai bori baret ban penda pigicing puli jogi ilale ba bat ilale ban persyang ya kanila lain menong duniam bat menta sisa ila po sisa hakatong kaba mai ila temu ban kot ini ay namar kata happy sister Valerina ya kacing kublay ko bakarpang kublay simun ba kumbaang gospel Yohanes ba uta ubakami ya ipa ya imay bat ya kibahi nga samlajong kampalat banyanga ong Jisu umlong ni kamlong kajonga isestar Valerina ila ino ya kani kaying kasem ya kata kacingyo penta kibha kibenta brokhat kum kaying kasem kabala lese panay penkot di ila ino ikita baro bat ila kloy ban ay tino ila de how play kum iruniam ikumta ila len lade ila kloy ban ay ti ya kanadong syadong brokhat nakapanta ko brom chuplay tong ini ay kajing tapti ka bajam nakapantay sister Valerina nakapanta ni nagtambaklaw bilale
God, His word to the waters supply us. We understand the truth and our hearts grow gradually. We do our duties with loyalty and satisfy.
You got that fire, feel the rhythm here loud. Show them what you can do, prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah, I'm better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you. Every move I make it you. You make me new. Jesus, every breath I take, I breathe in you. Every step I take in you. You on my way, Jesus, every breath I take, I breathe in you. Singing
We, the student, teacher, and staff of Notre Dame Secondary School, Umrinko, are overjoyed to acknowledge and celebrate your remarkable journey as you decide your life to serving the Lord. As the past pupils of our school, you have made us incredible proud by embracing a life of devotion, compassion, and selflessness. Your decisions to become a nun in a testament to the values of kindness, empathy, and disciplines to our school strive to instill in its students. Dear sister, we remember you as an outstanding student, always demonstrating a deep commitment to your studies and a passion for helping others. Your achievement in sport, especially football, and your hard work inspired your press and left lasting impact on our school community. Dear sister, as to continue on your spiritual path, we offer our heartfelt gratitude for the positive influence you have had on our school and the life of those around you. Your decisions to spreading love, peace, and hope serve as a shining example to us all. We pray that God bless you with strength, wisdom, and joy as you navigate your noble journey. May your faith continue to guide you and may remain and become an inspiration to all who know you. With love, and generations.
I can no longer have the strength to fight. You've seen too many sunsets, too many days ending in the darkest night. But on your own, you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. If you believe, they say that all you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now looking for grace. Cause you need someone to lift you up, yeah, make right all the things you've done. Cause on your own you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. If you believe, if you believe, you can do anything, you can do anything.